lalo na sa issue ni Gina Lima. And honestly, wake-up call to para sa lahat. This is exactly what happens when you choose a partner na hindi mo tinitingnan ng character.
Salarin, kundi ito daw. Nakalagay natin na, yan, itong informasyon na to ay ginakita ko lang din sa Facebook. So, makasasuggest ko sa kanya, meron siyang anger management na napakalala. Itong taong to, ito mga ganitong klaseng tao.
On Wednesday morning, Quezon City Police responded to a call no family ever wants to make. Ivan was found hanging from the metal stairs of their apartment building in Barangay Apolonio Samson. A tenant alerted his father. His father rushed to him, cut the hose, and begged for help. But despite being rushed to the hospital, Ivan was declared dead on arrival. No external injuries, no signs of a struggle, only the ligature mark on his neck. Relatives told police he had been battling emotional turmoil since Gina's sudden death.
Pero kaninang umaga lang, 3 araw matapos ang